Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka National People's Party halasngi ublei kalapan pau ba kajingdan Jingpyrshah ya kalyang sinshar kalong kadaw kabakongsan haman ki election ha district council watla kalapan pau kajingsngos kem banla ban job yang ha election MDC kaban salong ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Habakran shikilat pathai kubor unong aiktian ke NPP u James PK Sangma udaong ba umenjur bat umentirang ba kajila ukanrat Sangma ubadiru National President ke NPP Ubalakran dang shen baga Jingpyrshah ya kalyang sinshar ka donbet bat anamla ban kyar haman ki election bagan thopru ya ka election ban sawan ha GHADC ka Jingpyrshah kala julong ka dawba khamtam habede bat ka election ADC kade ka Jingpyrshah ka jingele ka don bat kinong yalam jungi ki treshtam ban pentikna bangin job watla kamlong 6% la kumnu ru ban yo khambon banduna ya ka jingta long ujem sangma Habakaran halor ke jinglang jan ke election GHADC, ulaong baka party kalapan klan ya ke Jingpyrshah banit ya kendo ekipat ba, barban pensngot ho ya ki na kinu ke jingsngot ho bakla. Haba jupap ya ki kubor baki don katukan ki MDC na ke NPP, ki bala ban umpan tiket show na ke seng NPP, u James ulaong baka ni ke day ke rukom ha kasain perthai. Kasain perthai ke day bet ke Jingpyrshah, kandon bet ke Jingpyrshah ting ki MDC ki la ban ya khunno na ke ke party, kala banja bat shisha kamde ka kam ka bahe than udaong.
Incumbency will be a major factor in the upcoming HSD.
See, anti-incumbency is always a major factor in any election. In any election, incumbency plays a part, and I agree, with whatever our Honourable Chief Minister has said. And the anti-incumbency is always something that in district councils and the GDCs, the autonomous district ADCs, have always played a part. But the struggle is on, and our leaders are working, very hard to ensure that we can overcome, if not 100%, at least to some extent, the effects of anti-incumbency. And the elections are not very far away, but the efforts are on to reach out to the masses and to make sure that we counter the anti-incumbency.
My last question: what is your response to this development?
See, politics is always a process of churning. There is always this high rate of attrition that goes on, and sometimes it happens, that candidates or sitting MDCs may so desire or seek, some other party. It may happen. It's not a very big deal, to be very honest. And if that happens, also the party is unfazed by it. The party has its candidates already, in mind, who are going to get, the tickets and who are the potential candidates who have a good chance of winning. So even if that, that does take place, it makes no difference.
So do we see that NPP will still manage to emerge as some single largest or to form in the next AC in the GHDC?
Absolutely. I think that there is no doubt in my mind that, looking at the performance of course, the ADC and the performance of the state government should be sort of like seen separately. But, when elections come, they overlap. And people will see the performance of the state government in what our Honourable Chief Minister has done for the state, and of course for the region. If you look at Garo Hills, because the GDC Garo Hills District Council is going to be in Garo Hills. So looking at all those, people will be once again reposing their faith in the leadership of our Honourable Chief Minister.
The outcome of the GHDC will be an indication to the assembly polls in 2020. We see in Garo Hills.
See, those kind of things are again very speculative in nature, whether the outcomes will have an impact on any future election, because that election is still some time away. So I wouldn't go so far as to say that yes, the GDC elections is going to have an impact on the state assembly elections. That will be going too far, I think.
Okay.